Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into a topic that's close to my heart, the incredible dominance of Filipino pool players on the global stage. Have you ever wondered why these players like Efren Bata Reyes and Francisco Bustamante consistently outshine their competition? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about the sheer passion for billiards in the Philippines. Pool halls aren't just places to play, they're community hubs where people gather, share stories, and hone their skills. This accessibility means that from a young age, kids can pick up a cue and start playing, often on makeshift tables. It's this early exposure that plants the seeds of greatness. But beyond natural talent, what really sets these players apart is their dedication. Many of the legends we admire today started playing as kids, spending countless hours perfecting their shots. Take Efren Bata Reyes, for example. Known as the Magician, his creativity and precision on the table are the stuff of legends. He's not just playing the game, he's redefining it. Filipino players are renowned for their unique playing style. They're not afraid to think outside the box, using unconventional strategies to outsmart their opponents. This creativity makes their gameplay unpredictable and fascinating to watch. And it's not just about flashy shots, it's about the mental game, the ability to stay cool under pressure and adapt on the fly. Now let's talk about the influence of legends. Icons like Efren Reyes have paved the way for a new generation of players. Their success isn't just about winning titles, it's about inspiring others to dream big and work hard. And it's working. You see a whole new wave of young talents rising up, eager to follow in their footsteps. International recognition is another key factor. Over the years, Filipino players have consistently topped the rankings and won major tournaments, reshaping the global billiards scene. Their dominance has earned them respect and admiration from fans and competitors alike. It's a testament to their skill, determination, and the strong billiards culture in the Philippines. But there's more to it than just skills and titles. The Filipino mindset, resilience, creativity, and adaptability shines in high-pressure matches. There's a sense of camaraderie and community support that boosts their morale. It's this blend of individual talent and collective spirit that makes them so formidable. So there you have it, a blend of cultural passion, natural talent, intense dedication, unique playing style, legendary inspiration, and international recognition. These elements come together to make Filipino pool players some of the best in the world. It's more than just a game for them, it's a way of life. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the world of billiards.